Alright, time for a light test. These are my low beams. These are my high beams. And those are the LEDs with my high beams on. I'm using a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver. It doesn't do good in low light, but it's working. Again, just high beams, low beams, LEDs. Alright, little dirt road test. Low beams, LEDs. High beams, LEDs. Oh yeah, I put a dimmer on it too. So I can go from fog light status up to burning your retinas from 100 yards away.